Today I will give you an English quiz using the words for my feelings vocabulary video. Choose the best feeling for each situation. Lara does not understand her math homework. Lara feels A. Excited, B. Confused, or C. Hungry. The answer is B. Confused. Phil finds a huge waterfall. Phil feels A. Amazed, B. Heartbroken, C. Embarrassed. The answer is A. Amazed. Matt falls off his board. He feels A. Thankful, B. Embarrassed, or C. Happy. The answer is B. Embarrassed. Frank loses the game. He feels A. Excited, B. Calm, C. Frustrated. The answer is C. Frustrated. I want to eat all this food. I feel A. Happy, B. Hungry, or C. Bored. The answer is B. Hungry. Miriam is crying. Miriam feels A. Shy, B. Excited, C. Sad. The answer is C. Sad. Lucy did not sleep last night. She feels A. Tired, B. Excited, or C. Thirsty. The answer is A. Tired. Linda receives a gift. She feels A. Disappointed, B. Hungry, or C. Thankful. The answer is C. Thankful. Mark has a job interview. He feels A. Disappointed, B. Nervous, or C. Bored. The answer is B. Nervous. A big storm is coming. We feel A. Heartbroken, B. Worried, or C. Bored. The answer is B. Worried. Abby is proposed to by her boyfriend. Abby feels A. Bored and angry, B. Surprised and loved, or C. Scared and thirsty. The answer is B. Surprised and loved. The couple is fighting. They feel A. Angry, B. Happy, or C. Thirsty. The answer is A. Angry. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let me know how you're feeling today in the comments. Subscribe today for more English quiz videos like this.